We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd of October every year. It is the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 1869 October 2 in the state of Gujarat in the town named Porbandar. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi. The real name of Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons. He studied law from the Oxford University of London. He returned to India as a barrister and took part in the struggle for freedom. He fought for the freedom of our nation. Truth and non-violence were his tool to fight against British. His way of fighting was Satyagraha. He taught us to be honest and truthful. Mahatma Gandhi was the biggest and great patriotic in India. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. No doubt people refer to him as the father of the nation. People lovingly called him Bapu or father. Gandhiji always believed that the education is the most powerful weapon in this world for the new generation to achieve fundamental rights. Gopalakrishna Gokhale is considered as the political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. As a part of the independence struggle, Gandhi launched many important movements such as Geda Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha, Salt Satyagraha, Non-Cooperation with Disobedience and Quit India movement. In Quit India movement was launched with the slogan "Do or Die" to end the British rule finally. His empathy for the poor, oppressed and lower caste people is absolutely unparalleled. This great man continues to come and respect not only in India but all over the world. He penned down some books like Hind Swaraj or Indian Home Rule, an autobiography, The Story of My Experiments with Truth, Key to Health, etc. But this great Mahatma Gandhi's death was not peaceful. On 30th January 1948, he was shot by Nathuram Godse in Delhi. Though his body is not alive, but his photo is available in every pocket. You can't hate him because you love money. He is immortal. Jai Hind.